Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2019 GMC Terrain and I will show you how to remove and replace the taillights or taillight light bulbs. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. Okay, now to start, open the lift gate, and first you will have to remove two plastic covers, one here and one here on the bottom, which are covering the mounting screws. So just use a flat screwdriver and pry it out. Just like this. Okay. Next thing you will need, it's a torx T15 socket to remove those two screws. Once you have these two out, there is no more screws holding this taillight, but it will still be kind of tight most likely because there's a couple of pins still in place. Usually you'll have two pins here in this side inserted into the quarter panel, and one could be here. I've never removed this taillight before, so I'm just telling you from experience from different vehicles. So what I like to do, now one very important thing, you always have to pull the taillight straight towards yourself. Do not pull it to the side because you might break those pins and the taillight itself. So what I like to do, I like to use some duct tape just to tape it here on the side and pull it straight towards me. And also what you can do, if you have a plastic trim remover, just gently pry it here while you pull, and that should do it. That's the best way not to damage it. Okay, I will demonstrate this now, so just grab it here and pull it towards yourself, right? Okay, just like that. That way you will not break anything. And I will show you those pins now. So you see, there is one here and one here at the bottom. That's why I said if you pull it to the side, you will break those pins because pins are inserted into these holes in the quarter panel. So you have two pins which you have to be careful about. And once you have the taillight out, to completely remove it, you just have to disconnect this connector. Now first thing you will do, you will push up this red safety pin that will unlock it, and then you will just press the black tab here on top to wiggle it off. And that's it. That's how you remove it. Okay, now to replace the light bulbs, you just have to turn these sockets counterclockwise, right? Okay, here's first one. It's burned out, and here's the second one. Not sure if I'll be able to do it with one hand. Okay, so I was able to pull out the second one as well. Okay, this one is not even a bulb, this is just the connector for the LED lights. Now, on my taillight, the problem is there's a bunch of water inside the taillight, and that's making me huge problems. So I'm not even sure if I'll be able to save this taillight. You can see how much water is in there. I'll try to get it out, dry it out, and hopefully I can make it work. But that's it, that's how you do it pretty much. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.